Cheetahs cannot roar like lions. Their vocal cords are built differently. They chirp, purr, and even yip. A cheetah's chirp sounds like a bird. Mothers call cubs with high-pitched chirps. Cubs respond with tiny squeaking sounds. This communication travels across open grasslands. Cheetahs purr on both inhale and exhale. Lions can only purr on exhale. No other big cat chirps this way. Cheetahs are unique among all felines. Speed is not their only superpower. Their voice surprises every first-time listener.